Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about an introduction about bipolar junction transistor. This is our second unit, and this is the introduction session of bipolar junction transistor. First, what is bipolar junction transistor? First, what is transistor? First, transistors is divided into two types. One is BJT and another one is FET. Our third unit is FET. Okay, our second unit is BJT, bipolar junction transistor, and our third unit is FET, field effect transistor. So transistor is divided into two types. One is BJT and another one is FET. So BJT is divided into two types. One is NPN transistor and another one is PNP transistor, and that FET is divided into two types. One is JFET and another one is MOSFET. Later we discuss in detail about FET, JFET and MOSFET. Now we are going to see about what is BJT and what is NPN transistor and what is PNP transistors. Okay. So this is the BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. It is referred as NPN transistor. Okay, a P region is insulated in between the two N regions. Okay, here first one is, this is collector and this is one emitter, and center one is base. So that the edge of the base is said to be junction. Okay, in BJT transistor, the edge of the base is said to be junction. First one is collector and second one is base, center one is base, and third one is emitter. This is the structural diagram of bipolar junction transistor. So this first one is typical bipolar junction transistor. How the bipolar junction transistor looks like. This is the typical bipolar junction transistor. So this is the symbol of PNP transistor and this is the symbol of NPN transistor. So in PNP transistor, first one is emitter, second one is base, and third one is collector. In NPN transistor, first one is collector and second one is base and third one is emitter. This is the symbol and the basic diagram of the bipolar junction transistor. So in bipolar junction transistor, so it is having two junction. So it is having two junctions. So we are called as two diode, that's connected with the two diode with back-to-back connections. Okay, that the transistor that can be connected as a two diode connector, that is back-to-back connections. So it is having three terminals also. What are the terminals? Collector, base, emitter. These are the three terminals of BJT. It's a three terminal devices. What is a three terminal? First terminal is collector, second one is base, and third one is emitter. This is a three terminal device. BJT is a three terminal device. So when compared to the other layers, the middle section is little bit thin than the other layers in the bipolar junction transistor. So this is the construction of bipolar junction transistor. So this is the three terminal devices. It is also having three layers semiconductor device. Both are two N-type and one P-type layers. That is, in NPN transistor, P region is insulated in between two N-type regions. In PNP transistor, one N-type region is insulated in between the two P-type region. Okay, this is the construction of the bipolar junction transistor. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of bipolar junction transistor? So the advantages are, it has the high driving capability. So it has high frequency operations. It has a low forward voltage drop. These are the advantages of bipolar junction transistor. And one more advantage is In digital logic family, it has an emitter couple logic that is used in BJT as a digital switch. It acts as like digital switch. What are the disadvantages of bipolar junction transistor? It produces more noise. It is considered as the main disadvantages of bipolar junction transistor, that it produces more noise. So it is more affected by radiation also. The bipolar junction transistor, that is affected by more radiation also. It is having a low thermal stability. The switching frequency is also low in bipolar junction transistor. These are the disadvantages of bipolar junction transistor. So what are the applications of bipolar junction transistor? Lot of applications are here when you are using the bipolar junction transistor. The applications are, it is used in analog circuits, digital circuits, in discrete circuit design. Okay, in the high frequency applications, it is also used in the high frequency application. What are the high frequency applications? Such as radio frequency and analog circuit. These are the high frequency application. The bipolar junction transistor is also used in the high frequency application as well as the analog circuits, and it is also used in the digital circuits. It also used in the discrete circuit design also. So that it combines the advantages of MOSFET that we are going to discuss later in detail. So that is one of the applications of BJT. Okay, but after discuss about MOSFET, we should all know about the application. Okay, thank you.